So this is one of the perks of being able to have water flowing out. I get to throw the ball, and Ash will take this ball, and man, he goes ballistic, and he'll roll around all over in that water trying to get that ball. He gets all wet, and he doesn't mind that at all. But this is just really fun. Ready? Go. Bring it here. Where is it? Get that ball. Find it. There it is. Bring it here. Ready? Here you go. Okay, we're going to chuck this thing. Ready? Here we go. When I say I'm going to chuck it, I don't chuck it very far. Good boy. He'd rather do this than take a bath, but it's one way to keep him clean. He gets me soaking wet, but I don't care. I'll dry. I like to try and get it to bounce once, and then he flies through the air to grab it, but it's hard to adjust. And it doesn't bounce very well in the wet. There. He's funny. All right, buddy. You hot yet? I think you could do this all day. Ready? We're going to go try and see if we can get a bounce up there. Shall we try it? Let's see if we can get a bounce. Find it. There it is. Bring it here. Could do this all day. He just doesn't get tired. And it's a good way to get him washed up a little bit. Ready? 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 Here. Come on. Come on. Ready? Here you go. Come on. Ready? Here. Ready? Ready? Yeah, that ball just doesn't go very far in that wet. Here. Well, we appreciate you watching the video here. Remember, this one-horn cattle, we sell eighths, quarters, halves, and fulls. And you can get on our website and order, or on Facebook. But we want you to tune in to One-Horn Cattle on YouTube. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching. Go get it. Thank you.